So with that team, check your toes behind the white line, because it's 3, 2, 1, rush!
All right, folks, heading into autonomous for qualification match number 93. Looks like over on the blue side of the field, we've got Cardinals working on those totes for autonomous. They bring 2 into the auto zone, but that might not quite make it for any points for either of our teams as we head down from autonomous and transition into teleop. Thanks to the work of 811 on the Blue Alliance, those 2 yellow totes are already stacked and ready for the step in the center of the field. It looks like 343 for the Red Alliance. That's going to be Metal in Motion working on it for them. Meanwhile, it looks like Mort for Red has been working on getting some recycling containers off the step, having a bit of trouble with one of their arms, it looks like, though. They run into Robotics. 343, though, for Red. They are making their way toward the step there, and it looks like Wildfire for Blue doing the same.
1741, that's Red alert. Central Road 5.
It looks like we've had more on the Red Alliance stop moving during this match. They are in possession of 1 container. Let's see how our Red Alliance can recover with 1 robot down. They've got plenty of match remaining. And to start off, it looks like we are going to have Wildfire give 50 points to both of our alliances, 40 points to both of our alliances. We've got those cooperation points on the board. No points for either team just quite yet, though. Over on Red, we do have 6 for our Red Alliance.
Qualification match number 91.
Robotics on the Red Alliance. They're one of our teams out of Washington here on Hopper today. They're working on some totes from the landfill zone. Over on the blue side of the field, Raider, they're working on a pretty big stack. Raider's going to drop off 30 points for the Blue Alliance with that container on top. Their alliance partner Cardinals working on a stack as well. It looks like it's a little bit crooked, though. We'll see if they'll be able to recover that. They're going now for 4 totes with container and litter. Back over on the red side of the field, Metal in Motion tops off that stack, now worth 42 points for our Red Alliance. Taking a look over on Blue, Cardinals about to drop off some big points for themselves. That's going to be 36 for our Blue Alliance. We now